Oh, mic is not on. How about now? Mic check, mic check. All right, let's get the sound going here. Good afternoon. I am late, just got off a call with some legal fun. Charging forward after these online furus. It is a labor of love. Welcome aboard. Get to it here this afternoon. So I missed this perfect entry back here. I hope some of you guys rode that one up. I am chasing it now, expecting that perhaps we get a little bit more out of it, but I may not here. And my mental stop is right up underneath this cross. I got target 1 here. Let's see if we're going to run up to target 2 and potentially there's some space up above us. Wow, sorry for my throat. Hold on one moment. Oi. There we go. So I have been back and forth in red to green here from this morning. Had a red session, minus 6K from the morning. Got back to break even after a few trades. Gave it back. Down again by about 4K. Came up around 2K. Dropped down to like plus $68. And then pushed up another, up 1K, and then finally got a nice push play to get me up as high watermark 4K. Grabbed a 4K bag, and then 2 trades after back into red again. It has been a tough day. This is creepy crawly stuff. We're sitting right here on the golden rope, on the high golden rope. Kept trying to see if we were going to get down to that secondary one on the high time frame. High time frame is definitely harder to read. But here we go to the afternoon, and let's see if I can get into positive territory. Right now I am sitting at about a minus $168. The online or the unrealized P&L is fluctuating back and forth. Let me check my mic. It looks like it's doing weird things. No. Okay, that's good. Make sure real-time protection is off there. There we go. And it has been a creepy crawly afternoon. We are in the middle of the diddle here. But I could not miss out on one of these. Oftentimes, these are some of the absolute best plays there, especially after a spike down like that. Everybody's looking, catches them off sides. We run back up, typically to the highs and then some, with this being a giant trap. So giving it a shot here. Okay, we just missed my target there by a hair. My throat is going nuts. Excuse me. When it's slow, it's gonna go. I don't know. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna put my stop underneath the red cross there and see if she gets that continuation or not. Thank you, Curtis. Afternoon Pickled Daikon. That is a funny name. I don't want to ask. What's up, Petro? That's right, let's go. Okay, let's see if this cipher holds. Got my finger over the close. If the cipher breaks, I'll be needing to cut that out here. Cipher held. King timing. Yes, if you're not already in this play, we're in the middle, so do not fiddle in the middle. Take your hands off the keys and smash that like button here real quick for it's good trading luck. All right, I'm hearing buyers. I'm going to see if they're going to push. Get my stop back up underneath here. Not going to risk too much here. Bring in the stops in here. Trying to get into positive territory here. I'm still, according to my unrealized P&L, minus $280 at the moment. Don't forget, over 2,000 companies reporting after hours. Now, lately we've been seeing there have been leaks and pre-releases like crazy. So they have started as early as 1 hour before, and then we've also seen them as late as 3 minutes before the close, which is supposed to be 4:20. So we have to be careful in the afternoons when that many companies are going to be reporting. You type !earnings in the chat, you can get some details around those. Okay, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Okay, so no, still unable to get it. Would have, I'm gonna blame my legal counsel for wasting my time and missing this perfect play right here. That would have put me into positive territory on the afternoon. Just still a struggle. The speed has been insanely difficult right now. I mean, that literally says one of these tiny bars per minute. Now it's at 11. This is insane. Anything under 30 is bad, right? Okay, it looks like a J hook to me. I'm going to draw this as a J hook. So J hook entry right down here on the diamond. My entry would be right here. Stop right underneath it quick. Targets up above, all the way up to our lines previous. Oh, they came down, stopped me out to the tick. Tempted to see what we've got down on the ones, as slow as this is. All right, let's see how we react to this butterfly up above us. Whether we get an audio box breaker out the back. The amount of speed that's going on here, it's going to be tricky. Yeah, in case anybody's wondering, hey, how come we didn't get an alert today on the second afternoon stream? So I'll talk about some rules that we found out from YouTube. So we have already released 2 technically videos today because we had to live stream this morning, and we released a short. So if you do not have enabled all notifications from us, they will not alert you. And if they do, they will not do mobile push. You would have to look for that alert. So if you didn't receive the alert, it's probably normal because they will only do 2 alerts for a YouTube channel a day. So if we have put out, this would be our 3rd video here from today, because you have a live stream in the morning, you have a digital short that went in the middle of the afternoon. That's your 2 alerts that you got. This one would not have alerted you. So please let people know there in the Discord channel chat or out there on Twitter that we are out here live. So we're probably gonna have less hanging out here this afternoon. Smash that like button here for me. Get us over 50 likes. I'll be beyond the 15-minute mark. If we get to 50 likes, you know the drill. Let's go. Okay, slow drizzle into my zone right here. All right, with the shark. J-hook entry zone right there. Okay, yoicks. All right, so market just deciding to wake up and go straight through my, what would have been a really cool J-hook long entry. All right, I'm gonna close it up right there. So the stop on that J-hook is gonna be right there on the back of that fluorescent. So again, we can retry to try rule if we get an opportunity, but you know, right now, just we're floating here in the middle, hoping that the market wakes up here in the final hour before the earnings reports, or if they're just going to rest it, we still have some space. There is about a 500 tick zone right here. You know, my ideal hope is that we have gotten this floater, and we come fake up, and then we end up dropping down here into this zone down here. That's my big picture narrative that we're hoping for there. All right, so I've got an Enigma right here. I'm going to go ahead and just play a simple, straightforward Enigma here to see what we get here. I got my finger over the close if we don't go. hard in the middle, as we know. Fiddle in the middle. Stops typically have to be larger on one of these in the middle of the diddle. We are literally flat on that.
Target filled. Target.
All right, so we got some targets filled there on a little Enigma. So slow, painfully slow here this afternoon, just playing the video game. So remember, we are still longs favorable on the day. MACVU filter is actually red, though. If everybody noticed, it has been snaking to the left, so opportunities to the short side still, with some potential follow-through, so we'll see. Sitting flat on the ropes on the highest time frames and a little tight range like this that's been going on for, how long is this holding here? Since around 1:15, we're coming up on 3. Yeah, don't be a diddler. Yeah. We should cast a vote. Who thinks we're going to hit the P point before we hit the VL123 up above us? You see the P point here? I think we're going to hit the P. Type a P in the chat. If you think we're going to go up, type R1. So are we going to R1 or the P point first? Now again, we may hit both, but which one do you think we're going to hit first? Let's type in the chat. Look at the charts here. You think we're going to drop in and pop that P point first? Or you think that's going to fake and we're going to head to R1, which puts us up into the Bollinger points up top? Or do you think we're going to head down here into the golden ropes? Well, for all the P point people, I hope you're right. We got a lot of P points. But it makes me concerned when everybody's in agreement that we're going to P. We did hit the P at 107. Yeah, the question is do we hit it again? Yeah, we've gone through it, come back to it, right? And so do we come back to it again? I see a very strong case for that, as well as the golden rope that has not yet been touched to go down to it, although it touched earlier this morning at 11:55. Up to 18,293 before the P point. I hear you. So we've got one saying up to our red line up above first, then potentially P, or just that he thinks we're going there instead of the P. Totally got you on that. Yeah, it always definitely makes me nervous when we got the majority of, the feelings of individual. Holy cow, is it literally just sitting right there? It has not moved. Are we at 1 BPM? It says 14, but it felt like 1 there for a second. 1 BPM, 1 bar per minute. Yikes. All right, we got some others on the up first. All right, that's good news. Oh, I would rather see it a bit split in general, because my feeling on that is P point first, or to return to it. It was Very much respected multiple times today. It likes it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 P-point touches. We're on a day we're kind of been back and forth, so my theory is we return to it again, plus the golden rope down below to really get deep on it in case there is some deep SH you know what in the earnings. When there's 2,000 companies reporting, I think hedge fund big boss mans are going to be like, yeah, you better not have bought the high side of that 200. You better have bought the low side of that 200. So loading it down seems like a semi-wise thing to do. But, you know, what do I know? I'm just here to play the game. Show me the setup. And our edge is on the lowest time frames. Catching them off sides when we find their orders. RTOFA, real-time order flow analysis. Sticking it on your chart and in your ears. All right, break straight through a shark. I'm going to take a break of the structure. Bartley targets inside with audio box starting to kick. Yikes, 13.2, finger over the close. If we come down underneath that, hopefully that gives us that extra oomph for a runner. We've got longs favorable. However, MACVU still red, so we've got to respect that. Oh, get it at the top of the cross. There we go. Ten seconds till the top of the hour. Hopefully that's going to give us that oomph. Okay, there's the top of the hour, 3 o'clock bar. Oh man, this is so torturously slow today. right, closing her out. All right, no go. Somebody wipe up my yawn. Retry. Do me again. Let's go. Catch them off sides. Let's go. Come on. Break. We're also breaking on the 4s, so it's part of my enthusiasm for this. We have a break of structure coming in on the 4s as well. A break of a Gartley. Hearing them kick in. But again, this is a very weird day. Be very careful on these. Structure break plus audio box is all this play is. You hear them coming in. Got to break a structure. That 13.2 could give us the extra boost as well. If I'm going to use my F8 tool, what do we got? Measured it out. Yeah, all the way up there into that crab for the gold line. So, again, trade opportunity. Stops underneath the cross. You know the drill. So, risk on. There's the play. Have we tested prior high yet? Today, I don't know that we touched that. We did not. That purple line completely free of touch for today. 2,000 plus companies reporting after hours. And they might just be, you know, fake in both directions, just going to float down inside the golden ropes of safety so that they play no harm, no foul. But play against traps, right? It looks very trappy down there. Big move down, big move down. Fake trap. Looks like a big trap, so we could push the other way if you're just playing in general. Best plays coming against traps like I teach all the time. There we go. See if she's got any extra juice for me. When it's slow, it's gonna... Type in the chat if you know the drill. MacVU has gone green. Take note, it has sat neutral twice. We were into the reds. This is the first time we've touched up into green. So that is, those two are in agreement. We have favorable long. We have MacVU long. So I'm trying to hold to the opposing signal. Trying to hold to the opposing signal. Telling myself, hold to the opposing signal. Let's get paid on this play. Let's see. Hold to the opposing signal. MACVU plus favorable. Break of structure, audio box entry. Grab targets up above us. Slow, it's going to go. I mean, a lot of things. If it fails and doesn't work, hey, we played well. I would do it the same way. Well, it is 3:06, so if they're doing early release, you know, sometimes they come out in that first hour. I mean, something could snap instantaneously, so make sure you've got your ATM orders. You're not playing naked today. Make sure you've got your brackets surrounding your entries, both sides. All right, let's see if this structure is going to hold. Multiple green structures. Dark back is deep in there. Looks like it's going to stop me out below the red cross there any moment. Yep. How rude. Like they're phoning in my orders on that one. Really? Did all y'all put your stop right where mine was at the same place? Come on now. Came down there and yanked us. That's right. On a day like today, when you've got 2,000 companies going to report, this could instantaneously like explode. I would definitely not be playing with no stop right now. Like I said a minute ago, like you've got to have your orders in for safety, in my opinion. Okay, so it's taking forever. Okay, so we had been red, bid red. That was the first test to the green side. That's why I held on to those runners. Yeah, we hit target one, but why? You're asking like, why do you hold on to runners there? We had longs favorable, and MACVU is also long side. So trying to follow the rules. Over time, those pay off for me. But you do you. I'm just here to show you how I do me. Is anybody using ALGO bar 1s right now because of the speed? Is at 6 right now. Anybody on the 1s? Anybody see any juicy stuff on the 1s? Have I just like totally missed out on playing the 1s areas down here? Do we have some really sweet stuff on the 1s? If anyone wants to post a screenshot, if you did, in the public chat in Discord. I'm very curious. Yeah, 1s is better. I thought it might speed up in this final hour. You guys know what has happened recently with those earnings reports. All of a sudden they're releasing early, an hour early, 3 o'clock, all the way down to last 10 minutes. Big, big moves. So today it's like they're here to play. Got the trap we needed. Any structures to break there. Even that shark got broke by a tick. So ugly. GameStop is reporting after hours, one of the ones for today as well. Who knows? Maybe in that last 5 minutes, get the juice. We get the Lucky Sevens play. Maybe the 350 algo gives it away. They put everybody to sleep so everybody will kind of walk away and then they just run it through low volume. That would be cool. High of day up above us at 18,336. If the markets think I'm sleeping, is it gonna like take off? I need to send the market a very strong signal that I'm asleep. Trust me, I'm asleep. Go ahead and make your move. Benny's sleeping, do it. Only structure break I see is way over here on a red dot. We'd have to like break that 18,294. But then there's a lot of space up above that. 294 is right here on BL 1, 2, and 3. So a break right here. If audio box starts to get aggressive, I can enter in long right here with crab targets up above as well as 2 gold target lines above me. Those would be at a distance of big, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go 4 big. Ones are 26. Wow, so even on the ones, it's too slow. Under 30 on the ones, atrocious. $11.5. Okay, so they might have just been floating up there to find some orders, and we might be right back down. So P1 or P point comes as a potential once more. Let's see if we crack through that with any kind of enthusiasm. But they just popped orders right there, so it could come back in now. Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. Stops underneath the cross down below. Those should have juiced that up. Listening for audio box again. We barely cracked the top of that. Sounded like they were coming in. Let's see. Yeah, looks like a plover, doesn't it? That PRZ, little bit of a distance for us, but it's in queue, right? So in queue could be right on the money. Okay, this one I'm gonna press stack near. Each other near. There we go. Arrange those up there. All right, spread, stop, spreads. Spread them out. Hopefully not an attraction point for the algos. Wow. Painfully torturous speed. Oh my. Left hand on the hotkey for close, right hand on the buy. I could literally fall asleep with this keyboard. This is... When was the last time it got this slow? I do not recall. Finally, they wake up. All right. Break of the dot on the nines, which could be a big play, which is why I used ATM large. Another. Wow, now we got 12.9. That is larger. That could spell trouble. Oh, they floated up. They're finding orders. And let's see if they're going to slam them back down. The most difficult path there looks like it's to the long side. Big, gigantic. I mean, I would just mark this as a trap right here. That looks like trap to me. So I am hoping that our high time frame read is... That's a trap, and all that juice is getting pushed up. We hope. I'm hoping this does that curve thing and just goes... We'll see. Then it could slam back down after that. I don't care. If we get up into that Bollinger up top, yay. Yay, hooray. But tough. I wouldn't even say, you can't even call this speed. This is like no speed. This is like market closed speed. Like market is not open right now. Level speed. What's the direction? It has been up and up and up. So when it's slow, gonna keep going, right? If it had slammed up in it, maybe a reversal, but I'm not pulling any reversals until then, right? Yeah, Forex speed. Audio contest. Yes, I'm going to announce number one here today at the close. Regardless of what happens here after the close, we're going to announce first place. Second and third are tough. First place is going to be announced here afterwards. Going to give out that $1,000 prize for our audio contest. You guys rock. Come on, Cypher. Hold. Nope. Closing her up. All right. Nope. Nope. And... all right. You know the drill. And we need to go far. Every other tick far. Every other tick far. Bump them, bump them, bump them. PRZ cross long. After a move up. First one. Gonna attempt it. Nope. And a break. That is unfortunate for me. Is it gonna be another? Two. All right. There's my double cross. Let's see. They picked up orders. Let's see if they're going to fake it, pop it. Would be awesome. Or if we're dropping them. This might be the time. 3:23. 7 minutes till the bottom of the hour. And close her up. All right, so break of the shark. Oof. New bar on the 89s. There's a 15.7. Every other far. Stack 30. Every other far. That looks like the best trap that I can see. With some size. Break of the cross. $30 seconds till the bottom of the hour. $15 seconds. And another. Push it. Come on. Do it. Push it. Push it. I mean, that looks like a hella trap down there at the bottom. Could have caught them all off sides trying to get short there. Enigma long on the ones. Hope that's going to help us out here. All right, I'll take half off into this cipher here. Now that's going to clear out all of my good stuff here, so I need to put in stops. Because, again, market could just go absolutely nuts with some kind of crazy earnings release, surprise, blah, 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 whatever it is they do. Like, oh, we released it early to our buddies. I bet you did. A break of that, and I am going all in. With audio box, of course. Same deal. You know, y'all know my breaker structure plus audio box, in case you're new. Another Enigma long on the ones. Multiple people saying, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. You guys are saying it's on the ones. I'm going. Whatevs. Let's go. Been a very tricky day there. Did not crack that cipher. That is unfortunate. Would have liked to see a crack of the cipher plus audio box to really hold that. Our time. 3:36. Still time. Crack it. Break that cipher. Go. Yes. Give me those buyers. Let's go. Crack them. Crack them. Crack them. New bar on the 89s. Oh, give us a little more juice. Give us a little more juice. Do it. Little more. Little more. Little more. Come on. Get up there. Do it. There you go. You know you want to. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Let's go. Do it. Oh, bust through that. Bust through it. Bust through it. Slam it. Oh, don't hold it in front. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Be nice to daddy today. Let's go. Too many people looking at it now. It's too easy to the long now. Better on the other. Come on. You're gonna go float down there to the golden ropes again, aren't you? It wants the golden ropes. She wants the golden ropes. But go probe first. Go probe. Go probe. Probe all those stops. You know there's a crap load of stops back here. Come on, just probe them. Probe and push. You know they're there. Probe them. Let's go. Get you some provolone cheese. I mean provolone. Get it? Provolone. Come on. Provolone cheese. Let's go get them. Go pick up some cheddar. Or some provolone. Probe it! Pushing probe. Probe it. Probe it. Probe it. Price Explorer, get up there and go snag them all. Snag them. Snag them. Snag them. Don't front run it. No, come on, big guys. Come on, big guys. Yeah. Sell some of your orders. That's cool, cool. Now pop it up and then grab the rest of your orders. Yeah. I hear you dumping your orders. Yeah, dump them up here. Dump them up here. Go run them through. Go push it up here and then start dumping right here. Right here. Right here, bro. Right here. Come dump them here. Look. Outside of this, look at all this. Look at all these orders right here. Just come on. It's gonna be super low volume. Ain't nobody gonna be in there. Just a wreck. Let's go. It's gonna be buy stop galore all the way through here. Go. There you go. Now push it. Watch. You're gonna see a ton of orders coming in there. Come on, do it. You're gonna see crosses like crazy. You're gonna be do it. Boo. All right, I'm closing it. Nope. If they're not gonna do it, come on, man. Come on. Come on! Craziness. I know, all this cheese talk. No. I'm gonna call ICT and tell them to deliver me a burger. Ding! Domino's. Hey, Mikey. Oh, I see you again, Benny. Hey, bud. You still trading micros? Yeah, you know it. It's all good, bro. Can you get me my usual? Oh, yeah, I know you. You make double cheddar. You want that double cheddar? Yeah. You want it extra stuffed? Oh, yeah, you know how I like it, Mikey. All right. 30 minutes or less, or it's free. Thanks, bud. Appreciate you. Probe them right now. Seven minutes till the 350 break ray. come on, shark. Don't be the one. You're gonna stop in the middle of a shark back with no orders? I saw no big orders pop through there. Come on, you know it's gonna run. You need to run, bro. You're on king timing. Snap that shark. Snap that shark, bro. Snap that shark. Do not hold in that shark back. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, come on. There's the orders. There's the orders. Let's go. I'm going to hope those are the big guys stepping and not the little guys. Let's go, bro. Go. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. There's a gigantanormous trap back there. You've been floating them up here. Everybody's thinking that, oh, it's not being able to go. It can't go. It's too much resistance. Too much. Come on, blast them. They're like, no, Vinny. No, bro. Today's not your day, bro. Didn't we tell you this morning it wasn't going to happen, bro? This is how it's going to go instead. I'm going to run up here, 16.2, grab all these orders, and then I'm going to shove it back down. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. How rude. All right, looks like they filled their orders. I don't know what's happening here. Yeah. That is a PRZ cross short, so can't get in the way. And on the fours, same thing, shark held. So not ready to bust out of there yet. Yep, McAfee filter was green. So, you know, a lot of days that pays big. Not today. All right, what's our time? 3:46. 4 minutes till the 350 algo. 15.3. Gonna play that. Stop underneath the cross. If we break the cross, we'll close it. I'm gonna hit every other far. Give it a spot to run. Stops underneath the cross, and then I will punch spread behind the cross like a boss. Y'all know how we do. Okay. Okay. That looked very sneaky, didn't it? Talk about having your stops in the right place. Did y'all see that? That was crazy. Not even 350 algo yet. BF just raised his hand and asked for a ban. Curtis, go ahead and escort. Give him a courtesy from our building. Thanks for dropping by. We're going to do what Trades by Matt does. So go ask Trades by Matt. He's the man in charge, right? The virtual account shill. Ew. Yeah. Yeah. And you're starting to understand where the salt comes from. Oh yeah. $350 algo coming in 30 seconds. All right, here's the 350 algo. King timing coming up in about 3 bars on the 4s. I want to turn on full auto Enigma. If an Enigma pops, I'll take it. Stops under the cross, so risk is cross. Target's cipher. Just froze, joking me.
Target filled. Target filled.
Enigma short on the NQ2. Enigma short on the NQ2. Fib.NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ74. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Alrighty then, so I'll give the screen back here. Could not get it up through there. Man, that was an extremely tough day there. So thought it was going to continue to break through and just would not break through. Yeesh. So once we broke there, I gave up on it. We hit a few targets on the way up, but then after that, it was not going to happen. All right, so ode to the trolls, ode to the Muppets. Let's talk about the winner of our audio box competition. Now, I feel like ending on a red day, talking about a winner. What do you guys think? You guys think I should hold off till tomorrow morning? Do a morning live stream, that at the end of tomorrow morning's live stream announce it, or if you guys really want me to announce the audio box winner for number 1, well, still I am on a debate between 2 and 3. And again, anybody who put in something into the contest, you guys are going to get a PayPal from me as well. But yeah, more positive energy. I think tomorrow morning is kind of what I'm feeling like, if you guys are cool with that. But tomorrow morning, it is absolute for sure. It is slotted in. We know the winner. And but yeah, maybe on a positive. Yeah, I'm super frustrated. I mean, if you're not frustrated about today, like what is going on? I kind of want to go take a peek at the ones to see how much fun I missed out on. Let's go to the ones here real quick. Obviously, we like that. Obviously, we like that. Even the F. Okay, I am going to recall this day anytime we have another slow scenario like this, and even when you're expecting like some kind of crazy explosion with after hours. And again, 420 is when they're supposed to be announcing their, they're supposed to do 420 to 430, but lately, again, I don't even know. I can't even say. Can you even say lately? It's like a specific set of stocks that are being allowed to pre-release. It seems like whether you're Fang or Google or these have got all these amazing plays down on the ones in the afternoon. Is that a 22.9 for the up move too? What time was that? 327. That came in at 327. Actually, we did catch that, but we hit it on at 15. If I had seen that though on the ones, what a lot of fun that is. Yeah. Yeah. So let's do tomorrow morning for the announcement of the winner. I am just exhausted after that, and I just feel like you guys put so much great energy into those. We're gonna play one of those right now on our way out, and we will announce the winner of the audio box competition. If you dropped an audio in there for us before, rock, let's where did it go? Oh. All right, folks, we'll catch you guys in the morning. Let's send it out with this good one right here. I'll catch you guys at 8:30 a.m. Central Time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. Let's go.
Hell to the Muppets, to the ICT stock puppets, selling bottoms, buying tops, crying over ALGO box. Why so angry? Why so dumb? Why not coming? Living in your mama's basement while we catching that retracement. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Alpha Omega.
Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Oh my
Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Alpha Omega.
Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Oh my
Micro Mikey, mental midget, cause this IQ just one digit.
Enigma
Selling
short on the
snake oil to
NQ1.
the blind, youthful dreamers, unrefined. See the error of your ways. Finally come and see what pays. Just let Santa fill your socks. Feel the power of ALGO box. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Alpha Omega.
Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Alpha Omega.
Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, but the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money, better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.